Okay, after a few trips in this van, there's a few things that really bug me. That horn sounds like me me, and the cup holders, terrible. Everything falls out of them. Time to change that. Let's do it.
Hi. So this van has a horn and it sounds like it's a scooter. It goes meet 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 meet. For a van this size, it should have a better horn. So I'm going to put in this one. This should make it a little louder. That'll be fun. So I've taken the dash apart, take off the cover there, and I got some wires starting to go through, so I'm going to fish them all through to the battery and to the horn, and we'll get her going. Okay, here's this silly horn. Listen to this thing. Sounds like a little meep, 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 meep. Crazy. Okay, and here's the new horn. Just put a button on the dash down here so you can hit it anytime you want. Hi. Well, I just came back from the gym, and you have a big water bottle like these, or you got a coffee cup, nice coffee cup, not too big. But these Sprinter vans have terrible cup holders. Let me show you. There's the cup holder. It doesn't fit. And this one, if you put it in there, it's got a little adjustable thing. But, that's not going to stay in there. And then don't try to even put one of those in there. That'll just fall off. So I'm going to make something new and exciting for a cup holder. Thinking something like a shelf like that. It'll fit in there and you can still get at stuff under there. Let's see what we can come up with. So to make the little cup holder shelf that I was looking at, I got this big cardboard box that we got. We just put a new freezer in the house, so I got this box. So I'm going to make a template out of that. There's a little template of a little shelf that fits around the dash. Looks pretty decent, I think. That's what I think I'll make. So there's that cardboard template I made. Traced it out on an old piece of shelving here. Let's see how that works. Give that a first try. So there's sort of the prototype. I'll play around with that some more and see if I can fix it up a little bit. Okay, here's the cup holder. Put a couple little brackets on here so it'll stick under the thing. I'll show you that in a sec. Okay, there's the ashtray with those silly cup holders there. So there's the new one. Got some piece I cut out just down there. Just clips in there. That's it. Fits right in there. Water bottle in it. Cup holder. You still put a sandwich there if you want. It's awesome. Hi.
Hi.
What do you think of my new shelves?
I love it.
It's got water bottles.
It's a good job. I don't know why these vans, like there's a cup holder
Cup
over
holder
there.
up here. It's like
and
terrible.
They're just dumb. You can't put anything in them at all. Like not even a small coffee from Tim Hortons.
Yeah. And what do you think of this?
It sounds sort of like a train, but I was thinking it was going to be a lot
A
louder.
lot deeper.
Yeah.
It's more. Anyway, that's what you get for buying it on Amazon.
Well, it's better than the
yeah.
Anyway, good job. Nice install. Looks really good.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget.
And if you have a Sprinter van and you want a copy of the template, let me know. Put a comment in. I'll send you one.
That's a good idea. Oh, okay. See ya.
Bye.